Hey guys, Henry here from Product Creation Formula. In this video, we're going to be speaking about how to create a YouTube channel using just AI. But before we go ahead and do it, I just want to let you know, here at Product Creation Formula, we love to give you tips and tricks to be able to help you create your products quickly and easily. Along with that, we also do product reviews as well as tips on how to make money online. Well, if that's the sort of thing that interests you, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Alright guys, let's go check it out. Okay, so first of all, how do you start a YouTube channel using just AI? Well, first you want to be able to start using it to get your content, some ideas for channels, as well as things like writing your description and also writing your about page. Along with that, you also want to be able to create videos, in which case you can also use AI to create the scripts for your videos, as well as use AI to do the voiceovers and also to create the video for you. Let's get in and have a look at how to do that. Right, so for that, firstly what we have to do is we're going to be checking out ChatGPT. So right here at ChatGPT, we're actually on the Chrome extension ChatGPT, which gives you web access. And I'll leave a link for that in the description down below. So what we're going to do is we're going to be getting this, and I've just already got some content here that I want to put in. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm just going to paste some information right here. I already have it pre-written up, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually turn on the web access to make sure I can get some really relevant information. And then I'm just going to hit enter and see how it all goes. Okay, so budgeting and investing, personal finances. If you have an experience in that, that's something you might want to consider. Health and wellness, travel, food and cooking, gaming. Okay, so fashion and beauty, technology and gadgets, music, DIY and crafts, pet care. Okay, so I might also ask it to go deeper. Is the niche AI a high-paying niche on YouTube? Okay, let's have a quick look. Okay, it's giving us a whole bunch of information just there. Yes, the AI niche can be a high-paying niche on YouTube, according to whatever that particular website is, which is number 3 on the list. This one here. Okay, so let's have a look. While AI marketing specifically may not be mentioned in the other search results, the related niche of... Okay, to be quite honest, I already knew which niche I was going to go into with this. That's why I went straight into the AI and asked about that. Okay, so that's cool. It's given me some really good information here. So the AI niche is apparently a high-paying niche on YouTube. So that's something I'm interested in. So let's create a video around that. I've already started a Gmail account called AI Product Formula, and I can now access YouTube using that, which means I also now have the ability to turn that into a channel. But we're not going to be doing that in this particular video. Okay, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to ask it to write a script. So assuming that I've got my channel already written and created, now it's time to create a video. Let's go here and say I have a YouTube channel called AI Product Formula, and I create videos about how AI can help content creators create different products. Please write an about page for me. So it's now going to write up an about page for me. Welcome to AI Product Creation Formula, the place where we explore the intersection of artificial intelligence and product development. That's good. Okay, I'll probably rewrite that. All right, so that's good. So you want to be able to keep that to put into the about page of your channel. You might want to change up some of the wording, but yeah, that's pretty good. Now, here we go. Here's where the rubber really meets the road. Okay, so what I really want to do is get this script, get this one here, and now we're going to be creating the video. So let's just go Control V, and please write a YouTube script about how to start a YouTube channel using AI. My name is Henry, and the name of the channel will be AI Product Formula. Please make it chatty. Write a script about how ChatGPT can be used. Write the script about how ChatGPT can be used for getting ideas for your channel, as well as using ChatGPT to write the video script and writing the about page. We will also be discussing using Murf for the voiceover for the video and Pictory to create the video. So now I'm taking the web access off on this one, and then we're going to hit enter, and we'll see what this is going to come up with. I'll pause the video till it finishes. Okay, I'm not going to go through the entire thing, but I will have a look at each point. Section 1, getting ideas with ChatGPT. So I'm going to get rid of the word section 1 eventually, but right now we'll just keep that there. Writing and video scripts with ChatGPT. writing the About page for ChatGPT, creating a video with Pictory and Murf. Okay, now I'm going to actually get to rewrite that one. And I'm going to say, in section 4, you spoke about using Pictory and Murf. Please write these as different points and also include ChatGPT as the scriptwriter. The order in which I want them is ChatGPT writing the script, Murf doing the voiceover, and Pictory creating the video. Expand on each point. Now I'm also going to double check to make sure I've got everything I want in here. Okay, so I'm going to now just hit enter, and hopefully that's going to do what I want it to do. Sure, here, revise. Okay, hey there, Henry here. Okay, so I didn't want it to actually do the entire thing, I just wanted it to include those other points. So hopefully it will write it effectively. So I'm just going to pause the video until then. Okay, so what I actually like the first part of that too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just grab all of this here and not include section 4. I'm going to grab all of this, I'm going to put that straight into a text document. And I'm just going to open that up into a new window, drag that over here. Now I'm just going to paste that in here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to the next section and grab all of this content here. And then grab the conclusion. And let's paste that straight into here. Go down to the next line or two. Go Control V. And there you have it. ChatGPT for script writing about the About page, which, okay, so it does all that. And then it goes on to creating the video. So you can say here, video creation, and that can be a heading for that. So you now have that there. That's great. So what we also need to do here is get rid of all the words that say section. And then from there, we'll continue on. I'm just going to go over to Murf in the next part of the video. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is I'm going to grab all of this. We're going to go straight over to Murf. Now before we go too far into Murf, I'm just going to copy that. Okay, so let's go over here to Murf and let's have a look at the pricing of Murf. So in case you're not sure what Murf is, it actually creates text-to-speech. So you can put your text in there and it'll create speech for you, and it's really quite good. Now the one I'm currently on is the basic one, and that allows me 24 hours a year of content creation. You might not think that that's a lot, but if you're doing, say, 5-minute videos, you can pretend, and one every second day, you can make enough videos out of that 24 hours to be able to do a video every second day if you wish to. So this one here is the one I'm using. Unlimited downloads, 60 basic voices, access to 10 languages, 24 hours of voice generation. But if you want to have more, you can always use this one, which has 48 hours in voice generation, which is $26 a month or $312 a year. Now, of course, this is billed yearly, not monthly, so that'll be $228 billed yearly. So that's Murf, and let's go and have a look at how Murf works. So I'm going to go over here, I'm going to create Murf, and I'm going to call this one here, How to Create a YouTube Channel Using Only AI. Might just say using just AI. I'm going to be putting this into the learning module, clicking on that. I'm going to go down here, and let's just go hit create. In just a moment, it's going to give me that. Now, I can enter the entire text right here. I'm going to go Control V, and there we have it. Now, what it does, it naturally breaks up all the information for you. It gives you everything you want, and it'll take the entire time. Now, what we need to do, I've chosen to use Scott. You do have lots of different voices you can use. Okay, let's go over here to basic, because I have a basic plan. I'm really best off only using these guys. And so I can use all of these ones, but this is the gentleman I'm using. I particularly like the sound of his voice. Now, I also make sure that the speed of his speaking is usually a tiny bit faster, maybe 1.1. The reason I do that is it makes him sound a lot more natural. Actually, I'm going to take it back down to 0, or 1 I should say, just so you can actually hear what he sounds like. I'll hit this one here so you can actually hear what he sounds like. And when you do, you'll understand why I increased the speed of the speaking just a little bit.
It's Henry here, and today I'm going to share with you guys how I started my YouTube channel using AI.
Okay, so what I'm going to do is go here and just take it up to 1.1. There we are. Now, I'm going to now refresh that again. And then we're just going to have it play back and you'll see what I'm talking about.
It's Henry here, and today I'm going to share with you guys how I started my YouTube channel using AI.
So it's just a little bit faster, but it sounds a lot more natural. So we're going to build this entire thing using this. And once it's finished building it, we'll be able to play it back and see what it's like. And then we're going to go straight over to Pictory and place that into Pictory. So I'm going to just pause the video while it's thinking and doing all this. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press play.
What's up? It's Henry here, and today I'm going to share with you guys how I started my YouTube channel using AI. Yes, you heard that right, I used artificial intelligence to get ideas for my channel, write my scripts, and even create my videos.
Now what you can do if you want to have like a little bit of a longer pause between scripts, between things here. Say for example you want to be able to put it there. You can put the cursor right there, and you can add a pause, and then you can make that a pause just there. So I'm just going to put a weak pause just there, and I'm going to be putting a weak pause just here. And that way, it gives when you go in onto Pictory, it'll just make it easier for you to be able to make the video stand out a little bit more. So I'm going to pause the video while I add a slight pause behind each of the full stops. One other thing you might want to know is sometimes you may need to change words around. For example, Scott tends to say Murf correctly, but I found other AI voices say Muff instead of Murf. So you may need to change that to ERF. And it won't matter so much because you're actually just using the voiceover, not the script. So you can change the voiceover to make it sound however you want. So but this one, Scott tends to say it correctly, so it's not an issue. Now we're just going to build the audio, and once it's finished building, we'll go straight over to Pictory. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to export this. We're going to have voice only. We're going to be making an MP3. We're going to hope for that high resolution. We're going to be doing that as stereo, and we're going to hit download. And we're going to download that to where we want it, and until it's ready, I will just pause it. Okay, it's now ready. All I have to do is hit download, and then we can put it anywhere we want on our device. Call this one here Project How to Create Your Using Just AI, and hit that there. That is perfect. Now let's go over here to Pictory. Now if you want to have a look at the pricing of Pictory, you can use the free trial. You get 3 video projects for up to 10 minutes long for free. But if you wanted to go do annual, I would strongly suggest you do that. Now my recommendation would be don't worry about doing this one here. Go for this one here, which is $39 a month. It's only a little bit more, but the thing is, it's going to allow you to create a lot more. You can do 20-minute length videos, and you've got a lot more options here. So that's the one I would highly recommend. But you can use this one, and we do have the links for both of these down in the description box down below. Now let's go over here and have a look at this. Now what we're going to do is, I do have the script just here, so I'm going to now proceed with this one, and I will grab the script from here. I'll grab that text document, I'll just copy that, all of that information just there, and place that straight into Pictory. Control V, and we're going to now call this one here, create a YouTube channel using Just AI. This is giving me all the information I need, and we're now going to proceed. Now it will do exactly the same thing as what Murf did. It will break it up into its personal sentences. Now I like to use this one right here by hitting select and then hit continue, and this will turn this into a Pictory video for me. And when it's ready, I'll then proceed to grab the audio and we'll add that to this as well. So I'm just going to pause the video until this is all finished. Okay, we're back now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just assume this is all okay. I'm not going to bother about trying to check it or anything like that. But we'll go get the audio, and we're going to just go here to upload audio, upload the voiceover. So we click on that, and it'll take me over to another page, which will then allow me to be able to upload this. So I'm just going to click on this, and in just a moment, I'm going to upload that audio. So I'm going to go to where we had that. Here we are. How to create project, how to create, that's the one. It'll add the voiceover to all of this. And once that's done, we can then proceed with the next step. I'm just going to pause the video until it's finished. Well, actually, before I do, I'm going to hit entire video. And this is where it starts to go through the entire video and sync everything up. So I'm just going to pause the video till then.
Hey there, what's up? It's Henry here, and today I'm going to share with you guys how I started my YouTube channel using AI. Yes, you heard that right, I used artificial intelligence to get ideas for my channel, write my scripts, and even create my videos. So, if you're interested in starting your own channel, but don't know where to start, stick around because I've got some tips and tricks for you. 1.
Okay, for some reason the writing's not coming up on the screen, but it will come up on the screen in the final render. So let's just get rid of that. Let's assume this is all correct, because just for the sake of the video, it's already going on a bit too long. So let's go over here and let's now assume that's okay, and we'll just generate the video. And that is literally how you go ahead and create your video. That's exactly how you do it using AI. You first of all use it to get ideas for which niche you want to get into. Then you use it to find out what type of videos you want to create, the various niches that are going to bring in the most amount of money. Then you can also look at using ChatGPT to be able to come up with ideas for your videos. Then you can start having it script the videos for you, and then you can use things like Murf to be able to do the voiceover, and also use Pictory to be able to create the video for you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to use this, and once it's finished rendering and doing everything it needs to do, I'll then add that to my new channel. Alright guys, now if you want me to show you how to get your channel set up, please leave a comment down below and let me know if you'd like to find out a little bit more about how to actually set up your channel correctly. Please make sure you leave a comment down below about that. Now if you got some value out of this video, how about you smash the like button as well as subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing, and also leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of the video. Now just to let you know that right here is a video I believe you might like. Down here is a video YouTube thinks you might like. And right here is an image of my head. Now if you click on that, you'll be able to subscribe. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.